Learn as if you will live forever, live like you will die tomorrow. If we have the attitude that it's going to be a great day, it usually is. We cannot solve problems with the kind of thinking we employed when we came up with them. The road to success and the road to failure are almost exactly the same. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. I've failed over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. Don't limit yourself. Many people limit themselves to what they think they can do. You can go as far as your mind lets you. What you believe, remember, you can achieve. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Only the paranoid survive. It's hard to beat a person who never gives up. That failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. If people are doubting how far you can go, go so far that you can't hear them anymore. You've got to dance like there's nobody watching, love like you'll never be hurt, sing like there's nobody listening, and live like it's heaven on earth. Fairy tales are more than true, not because they tell us that dragons exist, but because they tell us that dragons can be beaten. Everything you can imagine is real. When one door of happiness closes, another opens, but often we look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one which has been opened for us. Do one thing every day that scares you. It's no use going back to yesterday, because I was a different person then. Smart people learn from everything and everyone, average people from their experiences, stupid people already have all the answers. Do what you feel in your heart to be right, for you'll be criticized anyway. Happiness is not something ready-made, it comes from your own actions. Whatever you are, be a good one. The same boiling water that softens the potato hardens the egg. It's what you are made of, not the circumstances. If we have the attitude that it's going to be a great day, it usually is.